I think Mommy's going to make one. I'm going to take one. You want to make one too, Daddy?
Sure. Oh, wow, that's pretty.
I'm trying to use this leftover dye. I actually think I like this way better than the cup. Cups still wait forever.
Mm-hmm.
And kids can get them all. Much easier, I think, for preschoolers, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if I take it out of this bag and then I dump it into this bag. I wonder what will happen.
Experiment. Let me do an experiment. Remember when you asked me what science is?
Ooh, look at that one.
That's science right there.
Look at that one.
Let's see. What does it look
Mommy
like?
did a good one.
What does it look like? What is it?
3 different colors.
Looks like a rainbow egg.
Yeah.
It does. You're right. You want to try making a rainbow one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here, put Megan here.
Okay.
Pick up one of the white ones. Oh, you glittered that one up nice. Okay. Okay.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, and then just roll it around. Funny it. Like when we taught you in between your hands, yeah. What colors are you making it?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's a secret? And tell me when you're ready for the other bag.
Wait for that.
Okay. Yeah, there's still a lot of color in here. All right. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, it's pretty green.
Now we're going to put it in this bag. Give it a little color. And the green.
I didn't do that.
Roll it around again. Gently.
It happened.
What's going to happen? How many colors do you have? Let me see. Pink and green are my favorite colors.
Mine too.
You think? Is it ready to come out?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Then I'm ready.
Okay.
Gonna keep it on 10.
You pass me an engine.
I'm making an experiment.
You are making experiments.
I bet your buddy will like this one.
Oh, I know he will. This is an experiment, too.
I like this experiment.
Okay. I'm going to show you how this works. Tell me when you're done with that one.
Then I'm going to put this one in water. No?
What, honey?
I don't want this to have sprinkles.
Well, I wanted him to do the color.
Okay, you can do them. That's what we're all doing.
No, but I wanted him to drop the tablet.
All right.
Why did you do that?
Because I was going to do one of these. I'll let him do those.
Are you doing an experiment with this?
Yep, you can too. Different kind of.
But Daddy, you gotta finish eating your the
Lunch first.
Yes, okay.
We'll need that, Jim. No color.
You got it colored. That was my puppet.
Okay, Jim.